Tires. They're crucial for safety, comfort, and fuel efficiency when it comes to our vehicles. And critical for driving in different terrain and weather conditions in all seasons. Yet, 65% of consumers don't know what tires are best for their needs.
There's a great need for consumer education in tires. There are 4 contact points with the ground, so safety is very important, but tires also impact the way that your vehicle rides, handles, and carries your family. So we want to make sure our customers are safe and have a worry-free experience with the tires they choose.
That's important for people like Jackie Schmall and her 3 young active children, including 21-month-old Nate. She regularly takes her kids to the park and is especially concerned with their safety when driving.
So we enjoy going to the park. We go on a lot of trips to go camping. We drive a lot. Safety is really important to us. In Florida, there's a lot of rain, and sometimes it comes down really heavy. So I want to make sure that when I'm driving with my kids, the car is stable, that I'm not going to hydroplane. So you want to make sure that your entire car is working properly and that your tires, especially, are going to do what they're supposed to do.
But when it comes time for replacing those tires, Jackie is the first to admit she doesn't have a clue.
So right now, the tires, they just look pretty worn. They don't look like, new tires anymore at all. I don't know so much about tires. I actually have never bought my own tires for my car, so this is going to be my first experience. Luckily, my husband has usually done that chore for us. Usually when I think I need tires, it's when I stop and I feel like the car might skid a little bit, but other than that, I'm not really sure which tires that I should buy.
And that's where Discount Tire, America's largest independent tire and wheel retailer, helps people like Jackie in providing an education about tires.
Is it okay if I take measurements on the tires?
Sure.
So the number one thing for tire safety, especially when choosing a replacement tire, is going to be how well that tire helps you stop, both in dry conditions and on wet roads. So that tire impacts greatly the distance it takes you to stop once you hit the brakes. Discount Tire started in Ann Arbor, Michigan in 1960 with 1 store and 6 tires. We've now grown to 1,000 locations across 34 states, and we just want to be your neighborhood tire store in as many places as we can.
Wet weather climate, it's actually getting a rating of 4.5 out of 5.
Jackie and her kids came in, and that's very typical. All right, we'll have anywhere from, driver coming in alone, driver coming in with the whole family, and it's great when we get to meet the whole family and see the people that we get to help service.
And Discount Tire's newest innovation in the tire buying experience? Treadwell, a tire selection software tool which ensures that customers are recommended the best possible tires for their needs.
Treadwell is a tire selection tool that we're introducing to help ease some of the pain and worry of the tire selection process. There are so many tire options out there, and what we want to do is make sure that we pick the right tire for every customer and their needs.
So if you want, I'll take the keys from it. I'll get it checked in. You're not going to be here for very long.
So for customers like Jackie who haven't been in to buy tires before, we want to make that experience as easy as possible. So we take and test tires independently for several different categories, and then we match them up for each driver, their vehicle, the area that they drive in, the weather for that area, and then things that are most important to them.
Florida has a lot of rain, so I'm going to be excited that we have safe tires on the car.
Ours is unique in the fact that we capture data from real-world drivers just like Jackie, just like everybody out there that come into our stores to understand how long the tires are going to last. We also test tires independently for ride quality, noise, handling, and stopping distance. That way we make sure we've matched up the absolute best product for the customer.
So as Jackie and her kids watch from the lobby window, the installation of new tires on their vehicle is completed quickly and efficiently, so the family can get back on the road.
You want to check the tires out?
Yes. That was so quick. I'm amazed.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
So
look,
there's that.
guys, they're all shiny and new. It was great. Everyone here was so friendly and nice. It was clean. I sat here with all 3 of my kids, and they did great. I would definitely come back.
We want to make sure she's got peace of mind with her tire purchase and that she knows her family is going to be safe when they come and see us for their tire needs.
To learn more about Discount Tire and its Treadwell tire selection tool, go to their website, discounttire.com, or go to designingspaces.tv to see this portion of the show again.